in my basement and I'm prepping for a shoot, and I wanted to give a little video rundown of my NEEWER LL27 video tripod. Fantastic beginner tripod. Nice simple head, can pan and tilt. Single lever, so raise and lower with one clip, and it's got those little thin on the rails, but I mean, for the price, it's pretty fantastic. And this thing gets really high, and that's one of the things I love about it. One of my biggest complaints was that the feet were so small, but it actually fits into my NEEWER wheelbase, and which is what I was testing here. So there's the little rubber feet, and as you can see, they're very small. And you know, you got this big tripod, and I have prepping a teleprompter for a shoot, but we're going to be doing multiple locations. So I was like, oh, let's put it on the wheels, and then I can just wheel it around this office space where I'm going to be shooting some video. And yeah, I think I'm going to take this tripod instead of my other one because I got the wheels. Yeah, so that's one good thing about this and the small wheels. But when it gets really high, those little rubber feet are kind of a problem. You got mounting points and does a simple pan and tilt. I don't know, fantastic tripod. NEEWER LL27.
So I bought the NEEWER tripod from Amazon, and it has a problem. Firstly, the problem is with the ball head. So this one really sucks. I mean, it's not really consistent. This is always wobbly, and bigger problem with it. And the second problem I have is with this one. You see this stand, it extends pretty good, and even this stand extends pretty great. But whereas this stand, this won't come down because this is manufactured wrong. This has to be in reverse, but the way they have designed is you can't able to take this out, and so it's like it's basically got stuck in it. So basically, if you see the curvy end, it has to be this end over here, but they've put it in the wrong way so that I could not able to extend this leg. And I didn't realize it because I never extended the stand to an extreme level. So I'm trying to get some help, but NEEWER is not responding. I hope they'll respond with the video. Thank you.